CPD wa Imenti North Ambrose Chalo ne ariritie ukonie ng'ombe iri gukamati na malori kurukirite mutindwa ontubura bukite biuria binene kiri mwingi akiare na mwandiki wetu wa Ntito Muthuri Muriuki na njira ya thimo. Chalo ugite ni uma kuri na ng'ombe gukamati na lori inde igwikitwe kurikithia Tichia Wamba akiongera na kwithura ni chiangabana wa kaunti ya Marsabit iri kwithiritwe igikamatwa chiitite Ntere cha Taita Taveta. Nongerete na kuga ngabana ukinya nethiritwe akiaraniria na ngabana wa Meru Mutumantu Ithinkia na kubumenyithia ndithiu ni chiawe.
Gita kana ndi kaunti ya Meru kwithwe kigwetana muno na mandu yegie mbithukiro muthira na aria mubangania munene kiama kia DCP na mithikari nturi kere kanisa ne mwentre chatikania ethwa kithurati kwina rori gwati ni polisi ikamatite ng'ombe
ai turela yile kuwatekana si intercept na wekwa Meru police station bana bekuringa kerere na kwira antu kurakwa baraba wati barara baruani esa watu wakubwa
ontobo nandi watu matutatu kiaraniria na uspidio no Imenti no Ambrose Chalo uragura tneuma ibombere kugwata rori jiri iratio kaina ng'ombe 68 chumite Ntere cha kina.
Yeah, earlier today at around noon, saa 6 kamili, we intercepted 2 lorries, yes, each containing 34 heads of Borana bulls, yes, from Kina, Gabatura, Isiolo County. The 2 lorries were destined at Taita Taveta County. Maungu is adjacent to Poi. So, you know, of late, Meru County recorded the highest number of livestock stealing. So we are quite proactive. We intercepted them on Isiolo Kaaga Meru Road, and we drove them to Meru Police Station.
Kulingana na spidi oju awite ng'ombe iji choka ichanga na Marsabit takaikutha mitwe chiketwe ntokonge.
And that upon verification katambua kuwa ilikuwa mifugo, yes, ya mheshimiwa gavana wa Marsabit, yes, His Excellency Mohamed Ali, yes, whereby he was relocating them to his ranch in Maungu. On arrival watachukua tangamia warudishe hapo Kina. Because zimetoka Isiolo mahali inaitwa Kina Gabatura.
Akiugara wa ng'ombe bwingite na kaunti Meru ndikyo gitumi kia mbere bethe bakigwata rori iji ende nyuma ochonkoni na kinya kwaraniria na atongire mwanya ndene kaunti Meru ichombere korokerwa.
The governor, yeah, explained beyond reasonable doubt, and we had the reasons to believe him. He's not a threat. He was relocating his flock. And then the necessary correspondence was done between His Excellency the Governor of Marsabit and His Excellency the Governor of Meru County, yes, and the senior officers of the county. They have already been released en route to Taita Taveta County.
Inda kiwa gendikole kitomogweririe ni ati ng'ombe iji choka matinti kwe kiumia ona kinya kithira ichoka ina barweri kwendekana.
Although there were some gaps, yeah, when we talk of in animal transportation, yes, because essentially it's on a Sunday, yeah, animals are not supposed to be transported on a Sunday. The necessary papers were there. I can confirm that. It's only that they were being transported on a Sunday, a factor which even the governor said that he wasn't aware of. Okay. But it is good to note that even the permit, yes, the permit indicated 4 days. Yeah. From I think 27th to 31st. Yes. That was the duration of the permit.
Muthuri Muriuki, where weekend, Muthuri Kangangi.